hand or their power hand forward. You get no lever action like that. What you got to do is, at the same time, simultaneously, once you got the javelin out like this, and then while you push, you bring down. That gives you more power, just like that. Bring it out like that. Together. 90 degrees out. Javelin, body twist, push, pull. Right? Let's try that again. Look at that. Perfect. If you need to watch this many times on the video, repeat over and over and over, that's fine. I did that many times to get the perfect cast. I watched this bunch of videos from Neil Macalo back in the day, and I watched those videos over 1,000 times in a month just to get the perfect casts. Hey buddy, you want to cast? Here we go, cast. Can you even pick it up? Are you strong enough to hold it?
Spinning?
No.